Hey, first grade friends, welcome back to another week of writing where we are going to write some narratives or some stories about life from a different perspective. So instead of telling a story as a human, we're going to pretend that we are all aliens, not humans, and we are all in outer space. And you want to be able to write to tell the story of your adventures in space. And we also want to make sure, friends, that of course we have a very clear beginning, clear middle, and clear end. The best way to come up with some ideas here, friends, is going to be to think about some things that you do in your normal life as a human. Going to school, walking the dog, watching a movie. Think about something that you do routinely. And then think about a way that you can change it or shift the perspective to show it from the point of view or perspective of an alien. So once you come up with which activity or event you'd like to tell about, then you can start swapping out characters and settings to make it like it's an alien who this is happening to. So I want to tell a story of going to school. And I'm an alien, here I am, and I'm going to drive to school in my alien spaceship, but I run across a problem. My problem is that my spaceship has run out of gas. So I have to refuel at a gas station in space before heading off to school and luckily getting there just on time. Now that I have an idea of what my story is going to be like, I can actually tell my story across my fingers or even my pages. So you'll notice you're going to have 3 different pages. One for your beginning, one for your middle, and your final page for your end. And you're going to be able to use these to help you tell your story. So I'm going to use my pages to help me tell my story. I'm going to touch each page and say what's going to happen. I'm going to say, one day, or first, I was heading to school when I realized I was running low on spaceship gas. I'm flipping over to my middle. Next, or after that, or suddenly, I came upon a gas station and refueled the ship. Now I'm ready for my end. Finally, or at the end, or at last, I made it to school just in time. So now that I have brainstormed and told my story across my pages, I can actually go back and sketch what happens in each part of the story. So in the beginning, I'm driving to school, but I'm an alien, of course, inside my spaceship. And your spaceship can look however you want it to, friends, because this is about you using your imagination. I'm going to make mine look like a stereotypical spaceship, and inside, here I am, I'm the alien. Bloop. I got little ears. But your alien, of course, can look however you want, because this is all about you using your imagination. Me. Notice my nice little label. Here's my spaceship. And I'm on my way to school. Let's put school over here in the distance. And I think the school is going to be floating in space, because this is our story where we can make whatever we want because we're using our imaginations. Here's the school building, and I'm going to call it Alien Academy. It's going to get a nice little sign. Alien Academy. Academy is like a school. School for aliens. I'm on my way there. But you know what? This spaceship is a super smart spaceship, and it's going to start talking to me. I'm going to give it a speech bubble. We're going to give it a little indicator light. It's going to start flashing to tell me, and it's going to talk to me and say, "You are low on gas." I imagine that's how a spaceship would talk. You are low on gas. And we're in outer space. We want to show a little bit of that in the settings, so let's put some planets in the background. Here's Saturn. Maybe we've got some stars. Okay, so now we have sketched our beginning. You know I'm on my way to school, Alien Academy, and my spaceship has alerted me I am low on gas. Now I'm going to come over to my middle. Well, in the middle, I drive over to the alien filling up gas station. This is going to be where the gas comes from, and my spaceship is going to hover over it. Oops, broke my pencil. It's going to hover over it. It's going to be like a different kind of gas station, not like humans. And the gas is going to go through these tubes. Loop, 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 loop. It's gonna go up into my spaceship. Here I am. I don't even have to get out. Man, this alien life is pretty nice, huh, friends? That's what's cool about these narratives where you can just use your imagination. All right, here's the gas tank. Gas station. I'm using uppercase letters here just so it looks really bold and my reader can see it. The gas is going up into the spaceship. My indicator light has stopped flashing. It's getting happier. And again, school is off in the distance. Alien Academy. Don't want to be late. I've got a lot of alien learning to do. And I'll fill in my little sign later. And again, maybe I'll show a different planet this time. Perhaps this is Jupiter with that nice little swirl. And we've got some more stars. Maybe we've got a moon. This is outer space with your imagination. You get to make it up. And then we're going to quickly draw or sketch our ending. Finally, we make it to school. We get it there on time. Yeah, so I'm going to show Alien Academy really nice and big. And I'm going to park my spaceship. Here's the door and the windows. But of course, if you want to make it look different from a human-built building, be my guest. This is up to you. Use your imagination. I'm going to put my Alien Academy sign here. Alien Academy, where all young aliens go to learn. Alien Academy, and I'm going to pull up in my little spaceship. Whoop, whoop, right on time. I'm zooming. Whoop, going so fast. Don't want to be late. There I am. Perfect, right on time. So now that I have sketched out my beginning, middle, and end, friends, I can come back and start coloring this in. Now, normally I would say realistically, but we don't really have a great point of reference here for how this alien should look. It's really up to your imagination. My favorite color is this lime green, so I'm going to color him in lime green, but if you want him to be purple, go for it. It is up to you to use your imagination. So go ahead, friends, and start brainstorming what you want your alien to do. Be sure you have a clear beginning, middle, and end, and then start drawing.